Download and install the Silhouette 3D software. To download the software, go to silhouetteamerica.com/setup. Select a language and then select the Alta machine. Click on Step 3, Download and install the Silhouette 3D software. Click on the option for your operating system. Once the download is complete, run the installation file and proceed through the on-screen steps to install and set up your software. The first thing you'll see when Silhouette 3D opens is a slideshow that walks you through removing the packaging from the Alta and where important parts of your machine are located. When you've finished with the slideshow, you'll note that there is the main screen that displays a circular area with a grid. This represents the Alta platform's print area. There is a bar on the left-hand side where you will go to create your own shapes and text. At the top of the Silhouette 3D window, you'll see your document tools. On the right-hand side of the screen, sign in to your pre-existing or newly created Silhouette account to access the designs in your library. This is where you will be able to access your designs, including 3D designs for the Alta. When the Silhouette 3D software is installed, it's time to prepare the Alta to print. Next, create a shape to test print in the Design tab of Silhouette 3D. Click on the Shape tool and select the cube. A cube will be placed in the print area. You can click on the white squares within the shape to change the size or adjust the shape to make more of a 3D rectangle than a cube. If you want to keep the size proportionate, simply click and drag one of the white squares. If you want to change just one side of a shape, you must hold down the Shift key while you click and drag one of the white squares. If at any time you want to undo any adjustments you've made, you can click on the back arrow, or use Ctrl+Z or Command+Z. Next, go to the 3D Print tab. The Silhouette 3D software will automatically start slicing your design according to the standard print profile. In the upper right-hand corner, there's a drop-down menu where you can select the quality of the print. You can select one of the default print profile settings, Draft, Standard, and High Quality. Or you can make your own print profiles by clicking on the gear button to the right to adjust the settings. The Silhouette 3D software will then slice or prepare your object for 3D printing. When your object is ready, you'll see a rendered preview of each filament layer that will be printed. In the box in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see a box that shows a few things in addition to the print profile you are using. The print time estimate, an estimate of the amount of filament that will be used, which printer you are using, the connection status of the Alta, and the current temperature of the print head. Below the rendered object in the software, there's a player bar that you can use to see how the Alta will print the object layer by layer. When you've finished adjusting your print settings, select Print. Silhouette recommends that you leave the door of the Alta open when you print your objects to help aid in the cooling of each layer. In cases where you may have small children around, you may close and lock the door if necessary. When your machine is done printing, wait a few minutes for the filament to cool completely. Then remove the platform from the inside of the printer. Take your spatula tool and gently slide the spatula under the object to remove it from the platform tape. Once you have successfully removed the object, snap off any brim or support pieces you may have. Now you have your 3D object. Your Silhouette Alta comes with 25 free designs you can print. These designs will appear in your Silhouette library when you register your new machine. To access your library, open Silhouette 3D. Make sure you have the tab open. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a window prompting you to sign in to your Silhouette account so that you can have access to all your designs in the Silhouette library, not just the 3D designs. Make sure you're connected to the internet and log in to your Silhouette account. To open one of your included 3D designs, open the Free Designs folder in your library